channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. Today I'm going to be doing my Yes Oh Yes bag. I kind of like this bag and I want to say it's like $19, but it's always been worth it. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button, thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I promise this is the last time you're going to see this outfit in a video. I'm just trying to catch up. So again, monthly subscription, all the information will be below. I don't know if I have a discount code for this, but if I do, I will leave it below. And again, it's monthly, and I'm not sure if there's a card in this one. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, yes, and your monthly savings is 87% off of retail. The retail value of this bag is $102. So let's get into it. And the first thing is a palette. Who does not love a good palette? And this is called Poolside. All right, you know how I am, clumsy thumbs here. What a beautiful palette. It's the same as it was on the box. IBY. Ooh. Look at those colors. I'm not going to swatch them because I will probably gift this or give this as a giveaway. I love the colors. I don't know how to use all of them. I've been practicing. I've got my Jeffree Star Blue Bloods palette on. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. So I don't want to ruin it or swatch it. But again, just to get a palette like this in the bag is so worth it. The next item is a little itty bitty Velveteen Dream Shadow. Go Gaga. And that's a little itty bitty. So I don't know what color it is. Oh, there. It's blue. Very pretty blue. Don't know if I'm going to use this because I love the blues in my Jeffree Star palette. So this just might go in a little giveaway. And the Luna by Luna. This is a highlighter. I know in one of the boxes, BoxyCharm or Ipsy, we got a big finishing powder. So I did like that. So this is the highlighter. So I know I definitely will use it. Very pretty. Let's see if I can swatch it. No, it's not really coming out, but it's a good highlighter. And I love the size, easy to throw in a makeup bag. And there's a couple more things we got. This is the Z-Skin face mask. A nice little sample size. And then we got Dirty Little Secret. And it's a lip gloss. So again, I think it's like $15 and then you pay shipping and handling. So that's why it's about $19, and I think you can get like a 3-month or a 6 months. But look at that color. Now that's a fun color and a fun bottle. So we got, yeah, there's no card in this one. I don't know why. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So again, it comes out to about $4 a product. Let me know what you think of this, if this is something that you would use. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.